In the ever-evolving world of IT, the Ghost framework stands out as an essential tool in the Kali Linux environment. This powerful piece of software is instrumental in managing remote Android devices. But what really sets the Ghost framework apart is its practicality. Imagine being able to access and control an Android device without ever having to physically touch it. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, with Ghost framework, this becomes a reality. And the best part? It's open source and freely available. This means that anyone anywhere can use it. Whether you're an IT professional in a multinational corporation or a tech enthusiast tinkering in your basement, the Ghost framework is accessible to you. The Ghost framework truly revolutionizes remote management of Android devices, making it a must-know for any IT professional. Now that we understand its significance, it's time to dive into how to effectively use the Ghost framework. Let's start from the very beginning, the installation process. First, open up your terminal in Kali Linux and clone the Ghost framework from the GitHub repository using the git clone command. After the cloning is complete, navigate to the Ghost directory and run the setup file with bash setup. Once the installation wraps up, you are ready to connect to a remote Android device. You can do by typing Ghost into the terminal, followed by the IP address of the device you're looking to connect with. Here's a quick tip. If you don't have the IP address of the device you want to connect with, you can use the Shodan search engine. It's a powerful tool to find devices connected to the internet, including their IP addresses. Now, let's explore some of the commands you can use to control the device. You can take screenshots with the screenshot command, send text using the send_SMS command, or even make calls with the call command. The possibilities are vast and offer a wide range of control over the connected, but what if you encounter issues? Don't worry. Troubleshooting is often as simple as ensuring your Kali Linux and Ghost framework are up to date, and the Android device is correctly configured for remote access. With this tutorial, you have the knowledge to leverage the Ghost framework and amplify your IT skills. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so use this tool wisely and ethically. For a practical video on this, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. The world of IT is vast, and there's always something new to learn. In this ever-evolving landscape, it's essential to stay on top of the latest trends and developments. That's where Hack the Hacker comes in. Our channel offers comprehensive tutorials on a broad array of IT topics, helping you keep pace with technology's rapid advance. So why wait? Embrace the opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive in your IT career. Subscribe to Hack the Hacker today and join the community of IT professionals striving for continuous growth.